Hi guys. I hope you all will be fine. In today's video I will tell you about an Android emulator from which you can directly download apps from Playstore like an Android phone. So before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for latest video updates. So let's start the video. Firstly, open the Google Chrome. Tap on the search bar and search 𝐒𝐂𝐁𝐄. Here tap on the marked site. Let me show you the minimum system requirements for this emulator. Now let's go to install the emulator. Tap on the marked option and your emulator will start downloading. After downloading, open the place or file where you had downloaded the emulator. Now simply install it. From the Browse option you can customize the place of the emulator. After browsing, tap on Install and your emulator will start installing. After installing, go to Desktop and play the emulator. After opening, swipe up the screen of the emulator, and here you will find Playstore. You will only need to sign in to download and install Playstore apps. From the marked option you can import apps APK files to install them. So in this way you can install Playstore apps in your PC by this Android emulator. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe my channel for more interesting videos.